area of the shaded figure. I'm going to do this by the subtraction method. I'm going to find the area for the entire thing. So if I draw a triangle or a rectangle, I'm going to find the area for this rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 4 going up is 24. Now I'm going to subtract out each of the white triangles. This triangle is 1/2 times the base, which is 2, times the height, which is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 1/2 of 4 is 2. So this is 2 for this triangle. This triangle is the same, 2. This triangle is the same, 2. This triangle is the same, 2. This triangle here is 1/2 times 1 times 2, which gives me 1. So now 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. 24 minus 9 equals 15. And that's your area for the entire green figure.